Now we will learn how to find the square of the number easily using Vedic mathematics. In Vedic mathematics, there are several ways to find the square of a number. Let us study one simple technique today. Here I make use of a sutra, that is Nikhilam Sutra, which says Nikhilam Navataha Charamam Dashataha. That is all from 9 and last from 10. In this particular method, I compare every number to the nearest base possible. And 10 and powers of 10 are called base. So whenever I compare the number to the nearest base, I find something called deviation. Now let us find the deviations of the number. The moment you know how to find the deviation, squaring becomes a child's play. That becomes very simple and you can find the squares in seconds. Now let me take few examples and let us see how to find the deviation of those numbers. In this example, let me take, this is 12. And when I say 12, I write this 12 as 12 plus 2. That means 12 is 2 more than 10. This plus represents more. In the same way, if I have taken 13, I write it as 13 plus 3. That is 13 is 3 more than 10. In the same way, if I take 15, it is 15 plus 5. In the same way, if I have taken 108, I write it as 108 plus 08. And the 0 is very important. Same way, if I have taken 1012, I write it as 1012 plus 0, 12. And there is an easy way to find the deviation. What you do is, to find the deviation, just close this 1. That's all, in the highest place. You see, 1012, if I close 1, I get 0, 12 and write this 0, 12 as it is. In the same way, if it is 108, just I close 1 and I get 08, and that's all. Once if you know how to find the deviation, to find the squares is very simple. That's what we will do now. Let us say I have to find the 12 square now. The first step is write the number with its deviation. That is, write the 12 with its deviation. That is, I write it as 12 plus 2 and I draw a line. I make two columns here in the answer space. One is towards my left hand side. I write it as LHS, and the right hand side. To get the answer at the right hand side portion is simple. Just square only the deviation. That is, 2 square is 4. And to get the answer at the left hand side is very simple. Already you have written, just add the deviation and the number. That is 12 plus 2 is 14. And that's all. I got the answer, that is 12 square is 144. In the same way, let us find one more square. Let us say this time that I have to find 108 square. In this case, I write it as 108 plus 08. And I have to find the square of this. That is, 8 square is 64. And just add them. 108 plus 8 is 116. That's all. Is it not simple? It is very easy. Please practice this. The moment you practice, you will have so many doubts, and get back to me, and certainly I will give you the solutions. Remember, I have given only few examples now. Okay, please try other numbers. Certainly you should have doubts, and get back to me. So please visit my blogspot, that is http vedicmathsvsr.blogspot.com. Thank you.